So today's the day I released Jack Sparrow into my bird room. Jack Sparrow's been in my bird room for about a week in his cage. He's gotten used to all my birds and flying around and talking to them. So today's the day I'm going to let him out so he can spend time with my birds and interact with them, and we'll see how it goes. And if you haven't seen the video where I found or how I caught Jack Sparrow outside, I'll put the link down below in the description. Now, I just wanted to talk about my video. I got a lot of negative feedback, a lot of name calling. A lot of people call me cruel and mean and let him go. I don't know why. I think I do know why, because of the wording I said in my video. Like the bird I caught, the budgie outside, he's obviously a pet budgie, because I live in Ontario, Canada, and budgies are not native to Ontario, Canada. We have really cold and snowy and icy winters here, and he would not survive outside. So I suppose the people watching just assumed that I caught a wild bird outside just for the fun of it and brought him into my house. Now I think where they misunderstood that is in my video, I did say at one time, as Jack Sparrow was eating on my bird feeder, that I said, I wonder if he's tame, or no, he's wild. So I'm thinking that word wild, they assumed he was wild, like a wild bird outside, like wildlife. And what I meant by that is, you know, there's birds that are tame and not tame. So I meant not tame, meaning that he won't fly to my finger, he won't fly to my head. You know, he's not interactive with people. You can have pet birds that won't step up and won't come to you. They're still your pet birds, so they're not actual wildlife. They're not wild. So that's the only thing that I can see that people misunderstood about my video, that I was catching a wild bird. Now, budgies are native to Australia, which is really far away from me. And budgies in the wild are green, and Jack Sparrow's blue. But people do have pet green budgies as well. But you'd never see a blue budgie in the wild in Australia unless it got loose, you know, from someone's home. So I just wanted to clear that up, that I would never randomly catch a wild bird from outside to bring into my house. I actually will help wildlife and bring them to the wildlife center where they can get vet care and then release back into the wild. I do have a video. I rescued a seagull. I rescued a kingfisher. I don't keep them. I don't even take care of them. I bring them to the wildlife center. So I'll put the link down below and you can go have a look at that as well. Now, Jack has been getting used to my bird room. I do have a video on how to introduce your budgie to your budgies, and so I'm not going to go all through that. I will put the link down below in the card up here. You can go see how I introduce a new budgie or any bird to my current birds. I do it step by step, so I'm not going to go through all that. What I'm going to do is just open his cage. Hopefully he'll come out and interact with my budgies. So let's see what happens. All right, let's go. All right, so here's Jack Sparrow, and I named him Jack Sparrow because he sounded like a sparrow. Now, he could have learned that obviously from being outside, or he could have learned that from his previous home. You know, the windows are open and there's birds singing, and birds, budgies especially, are good at mimicking. So I'm just going to open his door. I put a perch over here, so maybe he can, you know, jump on that and come out. So we'll see when he comes out and who he's going to go interact with. So I've had Jack here beside my other budgies in their fly cage, and they've been talking together. Now, Jack went under the paper there. He's having fun under his paper. So I don't force them out. I let them come out when they're ready. As you can see in my other video of how I introduce a new bird to my flock. Now, nobody's claimed Jack. I got a few inquiries, but it wasn't the same bird. And I got a lot of comments saying, it's my bird, it's my bird. I know a lot of them are kind of fooling around, but seriously, if you think it's your bird and you live in Ontario, Canada, let me know. And there's no way the bird can fly from California or Florida or wherever you are in the world. There's no way that your bird would fly way over here. Most birds that are lost are found within 5 kilometers of their home. And now he's going to have a good home here, you know, unless I find the owner. I've had him for quite a while. So if you think it's your bird, I would have to ask you a lot of questions. You'd have to tell me a lot and show me a picture. and we will match up the picture. Look, he doesn't know how to come out. He's going everywhere but the door. And also, when a pet bird gets loose, they're not used to flying for miles and miles. Flying indoors in your room around and around is not the same as flying outdoors. Even people that free flight their parrots, their macaws, Amazons, even any bird, you'll see they have to train them. They have to train them to fly outside because the wind can change everything. I mean, they don't know how to navigate. They don't know how to descend from a tree. They don't know how to ascend. So it's totally different when they get outside. But if you've lost your bird, don't give up hope, because sometimes people find them and they don't know how to find the owners. So you have to place them on your lost and found, your pet lost and found, your bird lost and found, on Facebook, on your local ads. You put up flyers in your neighborhood and you can find your bird, hopefully. And sometimes people bring them to vets, or they bring them to the animal control. You can check there as well. I've checked all over and I can't seem to find Jack's home. But you know, some people do let their birds loose. They don't want them. They don't know what to do with them. They don't know where to bring them, and they let them loose. So I don't really know where Jack came from. Oh, here he comes. Come on, Jack. Maybe. Here he comes. I don't want to move. He's on the perch. He's going to go back in. Come on. He's more interested in what's underneath his cage and than to fly and meet my birds. Come on, Jack. I don't know how long he's going to be down there for. What are you doing, Jack? So Jack flew and he went into the cage. Nobody seems to care. Budgies are pretty good. They all get along. They're all quiet now. Oh, there he comes. He's just investigating. He's going to crawl all over the cage now. Oh, he's talking to Sky. So Sky and Jack Sparrow are playing with a toy. I just hope they don't fight. But usually they squabble and they'll be okay. The Sky was always talking to Jack through the cage. Alright, so I'm just going to leave them alone for a while. So I'll show you later how they're all getting on. Now they're just getting to meet each other. Alright, so I came to check on them. And it looks like Sky and Jack are friends. So as you can see, Jack's settling into my slot. He's more interested in exploring everything. He's looking at everything. Looking at all the perches and stuff and toys. But he really got along with Sky. That was my newest Budgie. I have a video before this one of releasing Sky. And you can go have a look at that. All the links will be down below. You can go have a look at my videos. And yeah, so I'll make some more videos. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any, and hit the bell icon, that way you'll get notified of my future videos. And I want to thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!